अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, खुश होंगे। और हमारी तो है कि हम हमेशा खुश रहें, हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहें। और आज हम जिस वीडियो पर रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं, इस वीडियो का टाइटल है मॉडर्न सिटी इन हैदराबाद। तो देखते हैं वीडियो। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। देखते हैं।
Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Hyderabad and we are going to discover the high-tech city, which is the most developed city. So nice. So before that, we're gonna see where we can have a coffee. As you can see here, this is the local life of Hyderabad, and it was raining actually. That's why there is water on the road. Oh, it's here, no problem. So now we just came to this place. Guys, it's just near to the metro station. Maybe you can have some coffee or something. There are many things. So what we will have? Some coffee? Where we can find some coffee? Let's see. No coffee? Coffee. Coffee, no. No. No coffee as well. Okay, let's go. Let's go and have some coffee before seeing the amazing city. Looks clean. So guys, we'll be sitting here. So now having my coffee just in front, near to the metro station. Thank you. As you can see, samosa so huge here in India. There's samosa, it's like 3 pieces of samosa in Dubai, as you can see. It's all the plates. So now guys, we are going to the trains, metro station, and look at this. There is a escalator even, which is like we start seeing the development. This is other side completely of India. Don't see it always. So this is the metro station, how it looks like. Clean. So no need to use stairs. Really nice. It feels like you're in Dubai going with escalator. Didn't expect this.
दुबई।
The metro station it looks really so clean, so developed. Now we are going to another station. In High Tech City, there is 2 stations. So now we're going to discover the other side where there is the mall and all the huge building. Even this side, as you can see, the buildings here, this area here is completely different actually than the other local area. Because the local area you see mostly homes, mostly small shops. Here only companies, huge. And I didn't expect, to be honest, this in India, in Hyderabad. So I was thinking like only as we are traveling mostly local, but no, here it's really so developed. As you can see, the road as well, so developed, so clean. Everywhere there are securities, as you can see there are securities looking. So it's really taking care of this area, and even the green, the grass, how they are fixing it. Really, this is surprised me. So let's go to the other side. So now we're gonna take a ticket. So see if there are machines where you can take your ticket, same like Dubai. So we're gonna take a ticket and we are going to the other side of High Tech City. Even they are providing free water, which is really so good thing. So now we are entering, as you can see, it's really developed. Okay, you put the scan the barcode, I guess, not from here. Okay. Now we are in elevator as well. Nice actually.
It's hot, no fan.
Yes, it's not fun. And there is even a camera everywhere.
It's clean.
Clean, really.
చాలా శుభ్రంగా ఉందండి.
Oh. Wow. Sure we are on the right side? Yes, platform number 1. Look at this, looks so clean, guys. So guys, why no one talk about Hyderabad is this much nice and clean like this? See, it's totally clean. Even now, there is no one, and the guy is cleaning. It's really nice, all organized in a big way. Like there is elevators, escalator, there is a numbers, there is a rules, there is everything. It's really nice. He's saying no camera. Yeah, it's totally clean. It's nice, guys, as you can see. this place where you can put your hands. Proper. Really. I want to show you something in the metro station. So nice idea. It will show you how many calories you will be losing. Look at this. It's all colorful. So the more you go, the more how many calories you are losing. Look at this. So it will make you more motivated to go more by stairs. The metro, it really surprised us. It's really so clean, so developed. We couldn't make lots of videos because it's not allowed. I wanted to show you how was it, but that's my maximum because it's really not allowed to make any video or anything. The other thing, the metro, it's so easy here. I didn't expect. I was so worried maybe crowded or something. Not crowded. We found a chair. We are sitting comfortably, 100%. No one bother us. Totally secure. And the other thing, you can discover by yourself. It's really so beautiful, so developed. Now we're gonna see the other side. Let's go. Most of this area like full of big companies for apartments, for nice luxury hotels. So it's really nice. It feels like you are in Dubai. Look behind me. This is India, guys. Welcome to India. So now we are in Hyderabad, which is the south of India. It's really nice, clean. To be honest, we didn't see any like single drop of tissue or anything in the floor. As you can see, the path, so clean, so nice. So, honey, did you expect?
No, I didn't expect that. It's really beautiful and nice.
It feels like Dubai, right?
It is like Dubai, and imagine all the cities in India. It's like clean and
Yeah, I wish so.
It will be so nice.
Yeah, I wish so
And I
because
see lots of green.
because
Wow.
really people when they found something clean, they will keep it clean as it is. That's what I believe in. So that's why here they make it as a clean and everyone respecting the rules. And even the cars earlier that side, they are following the rules because mostly in the local area, no one follow the rules.
The traffic have a big problem.
Yeah, no, but here at least in this area, I was watching from the top, everyone following the rules because since it's really nice and there is a rules and developed, everyone will follow and will like this. So I really love it, guys. I will show you. Let's go, more friend. Let's discover together how is it. I don't know why they don't show this area in YouTube. Mostly you don't see this kind of places, or always they show mostly the local
बहुत
areas
प्यारी
and this.
जगह है।
So that's why I decided to show and come and discover this together. So let's continue. Look at this, guys, how much is clean. Even the traffic is more or less, since it's clean and people following the rules and it's really developed. This is Hyderabad, which is, we don't see it always. We see mostly other side of India, but this is really India, guys. And the other thing I want to mention about Hyderabad is totally safe. Even for a woman, she will be traveling to Hyderabad. It's 100% safe. No one will bother you or anything. This is what, honey? It's really nice. See, this is, I think, a restaurant or something. So nice. Just near to the metro station. It's really so organized. Even there is a food court near to the metro station. There is a garbage box. Every 2 meters you go, there is a garbage box. That's why no one will throw, of course, in the floor. They are keeping everyone the garbage box. Really, I love it. Anyone from Hyderabad watching this video, let me know. And of course, guys, don't forget to support with your like and share and comment this video. This side, it feels like a Marina Dubai, really. If anyone visited Dubai, he will know this is like a Marina Dubai, this side. So usually you will find the lake that side, honey. Should be there is the lake that side, right? So it will be really like a marina. I don't know who copied the other. It should be Dubai who copied it or India copied this. Let's see.
Of course, Dubai.
Dubai will copy because you're from here. Guys, we just came out from the elevator and honey taking rest, making a plan where we'll be going. And here, as you can see, there is a dog feeding area, which is really something so nice. So they kept, you can feed the dogs here in this cage, exactly. So nice, so organized, really. Look at this. Clean, organized, beautiful. Here, that's the dog food, and they will provide to the dogs. There are many dogs here, and they're providing them. Looking for auto, because the internet, some areas doesn't work for us. No need to mention the SIM card name, but anyway, the SIM card we got it. Some areas doesn't work. We will be discussing with the auto how much is it, and he will take us where exactly. Let's see. How much? brother. Finally, we found out to finally. This metro per day, 500,000 people they use it per day. Imagine the capacity of the metro, how many people they
That's
take, which is really so good. And it's mentioned there, every signboard is mentioned like 500 people they use that metro per day, and it's really clean, taking care of it, so organized. Really nice. And you know, this Hyderabad is one of the biggest city in India. So, so nice. It's must to visit, worth it. We arrived.
Huh? Cash. Hyderabad.
Nice. Thank you. Look at this. This is the mall. There are many autos here if you want to use. Let's go. It's really nice. He's so good, the guy.
Yeah, he was. He said 80, and
Huh.
he was like honest. So I
Yeah.
decided, okay, let's give him 100.
Yeah, it's really this kind of people I really love and respect.
He didn't give a high price or something, so he was honest. So
Yeah. So honest, directly. Actually, many people are honest here as well in Hyderabad. So now we are in the mall. We are in food court. As you can see, it looks so huge and nice. So there is another option there. You can sit in the restaurant. So clean. It's really nice and huge as well. So guys, we are not allowed to record in this place in the mall. So there is a sign form, like my husband he signed on it, like not allowed to use the camera. Here you can play. I didn't record properly inside because it's not allowed to make videos. And imagine for my husband, they took his signature, his full name, mobile number, everything. They said if you will record, we will make like what they will do.
they will take a legal action. So they told me to write the form, my mobile number, and everything.
Legal action, big word. So that's why guys we didn't record inside the mall, but it's worth to visit. So every time I record a little bit to make you feel with me the moment and see, and that's all. Now we took an auto, we are going to, what's this place we are going?
Madhapur, I think so.
Madhapur, and it's what? Tihar place. So this is one of the most famous places as well in Hyderabad, where there is many restaurants. So all visitors as well, they come, they visit this place. So as you can see, the road is always there is traffic. It's nice. So we left from the mall, and now we are on our way. Look at the building. Wow. Many shops there. So guys, the other side there is like a plane. I'm not sure for what. Anyone have an idea? This is for what? Like a restaurant or a hotel? Just let me know if you are from here. So this is the entrance. Looks so huge and so nice. Look at this. Wow. This is really different. So developed, so clean as well. He's saying the doctor guy. What he said, there is like a cricket player. Holy cricket player.
Restaurant.
His restaurant is inside. What's the name?
Loft.
Loft. I want to show you from outside. For sure, like it's so expensive, I think.
For sure.
I will show you from outside, guys. So guys, before you enter, they ask us to send some things in the book.
Just the information, the contact number, the name. I think it's for them to know how many people are inside
Yeah.
the area.
So we wrote our information and this place you are going. So actually, this is the second time we came today.
Yeah.
This is the second time we are telling of
Giving our
information. So there is one restaurant which is here. There's a coffee shop. You can have a seat here. It looks nice as well. But I think still we are looking for the other place. This is the Tihar branch, as well you can see. But still we are looking for more other places to see. Let's see. We are leaving because it was only one small coffee shop. We didn't expect that. We are expecting there are many. Let's go and discover more. But it's really luxury and nice. As you can see, it's so nice. I'm looking for somewhere where there are many coffee shops, many options, so I can show you properly as well this side. So they said there is outside. I'm gonna see outside. We're gonna make a round, and hopefully it's nice as well there. Just ask the security what's this plane for. So he's saying it will be as a restaurant soon. So actually in Bali last time when we visited Hani, remember?
Yeah,
It
was nice.
there is same thing,
We
same
had some drone
concept.
shots.
Yeah, we had some drone shots. It was so nice. So it's the same thing in Bali. They made it.
बिल्कुल यार, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग था। और बहुत ज़्यादा पहले से भी हैदराबाद जो है ना वो एक डेवलप हो चुका है। और मॉडर्न सिटी तो वो पहले से ही एक, देखा जाए जब से एक वीडियो बना रहे हैं ना तब से एक, जितना भी आगे दिन चल रहे हैं ना एक ज़्यादा ही मॉडर्न होता जा रहा है। जैसे उन्होंने एक ऊपर से कवर किया है, वो एक बहुत प्यारा एक कवर किया। और उनके एक इम्प्रेशन जो थे ना वो काफ़ी एक सरप्राइज थे कि
ये
जब
अरेबिक गर्ल जो है ना वो पहली दफा ही हमने देखी है जो मतलब एक व्लॉगिंग कर रही है, लेकिन उसका थोड़ा सा एक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं भी था, लेकिन फिर भी भाई उसने कोशिश की हर चीज कवर
करने की ज़्यादा दुबई के साथ ही कंपेयर कर रही थी क्योंकि उन्होंने वहाँ से ही सब कुछ देखा हुआ है ना
करीमा।
तो बिल्कुल उनको वहाँ का जो एक नज़ारा याद आ रहा था, यहाँ बिल्कुल सेम ही है। इतना ज़्यादा एक डेवलप एरिया उनको एक देखने को मिला है यहाँ पे।
नहीं वाकई सही बात है, एक काफ़ी अच्छा एक व्लॉग बनाया उसने। और एक सब के मतलब के स्टेट में वो जा रही है, पीछे एक पिछले भी उसके एक व्लॉग काफ़ी एक अच्छे थे। और ये हैदराबाद का वाकई उसका ना एक मतलब कि अच्छा एक व्लॉग था, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर जो भी एक आते हैं ना वो एक होता है कोई डायरेक्ट एक हैदराबाद में एंट्री कर जाए, लेकिन ज़्यादातर मुंबई दिल्ली में उन्होंने भाई ज़रूर एक एंट्री एक उनकी फर्स्ट होती है। तो वो चीज़ें देखते देखते जब एक वो हैदराबाद की तरफ एक अपना रुख करते हैं ना तो उधर उनको एकदम से ना एक पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है कि ये कैसा मतलब कि एक सिटी है जो कि इधर साइड और दिखाई जाती है और इस साइड तो एक टोटली चेंज है। तो वो काफ़ी एक ना अच्छा उनका एक एक्सपीरियंस था। अभी तक तो वो चीज़ें एक घूम ही रही थी, मतलब कि अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला। अभी काफ़ी एक एरिया हैदराबाद का और भी डेवलपमेंट है जो कि देखने वाली है, और एक काफ़ी उसका ना एक जर्नी एक अच्छी जा रही है।
नहीं बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है, लेकिन साथ एक हेल्पर भी था, लड़का भी साथ था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद वो कोशिश तो कर रही थी हर चीज़ एक एक्सप्लोर करने जिस तरह वो कर भी रही थी, लेकिन जो है ना वो उसका एक ज़ुबान बोलने का थोड़ा सा वो एक देख लो कि वो बिल्कुल एक अरेबिक ज़ाहिर बात है, लेकिन अच्छा लगा यार। उसने एक काफ़ी मेहनत की लड़की ने, और उसने एक इंडिया चूज़ किया एक व्लॉगिंग के लिए, और काफ़ी वो मतलब इस चीज़ के ऊपर भाई एक सही तरीका उसने बनाया।
बाकी सही है, एक अच्छा है भाई। एक मतलब कि अरबियों को वीज़ा तो मिल जाता है, एक हार्ड होता है कि पाकिस्तान के लिए, और एक जो दूसरी कंट्री है कि उनको तो भाई विज़िट करना चाहिए, जो कि मतलब कि एक घूमने फिरने के एक जिनको एक शौक़ है। ख़ास करके इंडिया का एक हर स्टेट आपको उसमें एक चेंजिंग मिलेगी, और एक हिस्ट्री को लेकर एक जो हिस्ट्री के रिलेटेड लोग जिनको एक हिस्ट्री पसंद है ना वो एक काफ़ी एक एरिए घूमने वाले हैं। लेकिन लोग घूमते भी हैं, कोई जिनको नहीं भी वीडियो बनाने का शौक होता, हर कोई नहीं व्लॉग बनाता। अच्छा व्लॉग होता
बिल्कुल। तो उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी। अगर पसंद आए वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। मिलते नहीं वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।